Just follow my lead. We're gonna go for a nice 30 minutes warm up, dosto. Then we look at the strength part and then the alignment and the balance. Okay, half an hour dedicated to three different aspects of the handstand. Okay, a good warm up is very important for us to really warm up our body and activate and connect with ourselves. The second part is the strength part. We need the strong shoulders, core, and legs to really hold on a straight line. And the third part is to see where our alignments are and how much awareness we have upside down, and if we can find our balance. शुरू करें दोस्तों. And if you guys have questions, you're free to ask. Let's start. Wrist rotations. Thumbs, fingers, wave. All right. Use walls for this one. One hand on the wall. Press and come back. Press and come back. Press and come back. I'll show you from a side angle.
Recording in progress.
All right. Watch it. One hand, press and release. If this feels easy, you can go down. The more down you are, the more difficult it is for you to press and go into your fingers. Side change. Aim for 10 each hand. Very good. Try not to bend your elbows. Very good. The idea is to activate your palm muscles. So when you grip on the floor while shifting the weight into your handstand, the muscles really feels activated and you can do a good job with it. हिमांशु, ऐसे थोड़ी होगा. पाँव को पीछे लो, शोल्डर रिस्ट हाथ में लो. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? गो बैक. और पीछे जाओ. पूरा लीन करो वॉल पे. पूरा वॉल पे लीन करो. पूरा वेट हाथ पे होना चाहिए. And then you do 8 to 10 fingertips. Subhashini, fingertips, fingertips. हाथ से प्रेस करेंगे. प्रेस the palm on the hand and try to go into your fingertips and go back. Fingertips and go back. All right, rest it out. Come back. Elbows. Reverse. Open and close. Palm open towards the sky, external rotation of the shoulder. Palm open towards the sky, external rotation of the shoulder, and full circumflexion. Big inhale, lift your rib cage, find the maximum length here, and go rotations. Clockwise 10, anti-clockwise. Beautiful. Twisting. Now only your shoulders should move. Inhale, rib cage lift up. This is the empty space. Twist from here. Side bends. Open your right leg, left leg. Stretch. Small swings. 8 to 10. And that's it. Full extension of the hand, Radha. हाथ को पूरा extend दो. Full extension of the hand. Full extension. This is not a full extension, Radha. Yes. Full extension. Full extension. Beautiful. Hip rotations. Now when I'm moving the hip, I'm only moving the hip, dosto. I'm not doing this. No, only the pelvic. Only the pelvic. Like a ballet dancer. Isolation is very important part of the handstand, dosto. When you want to move your shoulders, only the shoulder should move. When you want to move your pelvic, only the pelvic should move. All right. Big inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward bend. Now when I'm going for a forward bend, shoulder roll back, chest open, spine straight. Anterior open. Body weight on your toes. You should not hunch it. The spine should look straight. The spine should be straight, knees long. And go back. Inhale. Exhale. Let's see. स्पाइन सीधा रहना चाहिए दोस्तों. पेल्विक ओपन कीजिए इन इंटीरियर. ब्यूटीफुल. नीज लॉक रहा था. 5 4 3 2 1 and hold it. Hold it for 10 9. Shoulder roll back, chest open, look forward, Himanshu. 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Rest it out. Beautiful. Shake your legs. One leg forward, same thing. One more deep stretch for this one. We are looking for hamstring activation at the same time spine. So shoulder roll back, chest open in interior, and go down. 1 2 3. Let's aim for 6 each leg. Toe flexed. Heels on the floor. Flex your toes. Flex your toes. Flex your toes towards the sky. Look forward, Radha. 5 4. You can use wall for balance. No worries. 3 2 1 and hold it. Very good. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Very nice. Like change. Small correction, dosto. This is one stretch. Bend the back leg and try to go more deep. Priya and Himanshu. Bend the back leg and go more deep. Keep flexing this toe. Feel it in your hamstring. And look forward, shoulder roll back, chest open. Okay? Don't hunch it. Chal. Let's go. Let's go to the other side. Flex कीजिए. Front leg को flex कीजिए as much as you can. Bend the back leg and try to go more deep. Body weight on the front leg. 3 2 1 and hold it. चलिए 10 9 8. Look forward, Subhashini. Shoulder roll back, chest open. 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Rest it out. चलिए leg swing and leg drive. Use the wall. Both the toes facing the wall. Leg swing, leg drive. 6 each leg. एक बार साइड से भी देखिए. Watch it from the side angle as well, दोस्तों. Your toe should not open. Your toe should facing the wall and swing both the sides equally. Swing and drive. Let's go. 6 each leg. Beautiful. Come down on the floor for cat and cow. and pelvic pose. Pelvic open all the way down. So anterior into puppy pose, posterior all the way to the cross. Anterior into puppy pose, posterior all the way up. Let's see. Radha, please show me from the side angle और थोड़ा कैमरा नीचे करो please. Subhashini for you as well, camera down and show me from a side angle. ये आपका साइड एंगल से दिखता नहीं है. टर्न अराउंड एंड डू. Go for it, Radha. I'm watching you. Look forward, look forward, look forward. Knees a little together. Hands on top of each other. Archana. Everyone, please keep your hands on top of each other. Very good. चलिए 10, 9, hold it, 8, 7, full extension of the hand, Archana. Elbow should not bend. हाथ थोड़ा आगे रखो. Very good. 5, 4, 3, और खोलो अर्चना, और नीचे आओ, हिप पीछे लो, अपर बॉडी टच करके दिखाओ फ्लोर पे. 3, 2, and 1. Riya. Good job. Alright, everyone, sit into your squats. I'll show you from the front angle. Sit into your squats and open your toes outside like this. Open your toes outside like this. Okay? And push your hip towards the floor. If you can go on your forearms, go on your forearms. Keep opening the toes. 10, 9, 8. Toes open 90 degree or as much as you can. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit into your butterfly. Again, shoulder roll back, chest open. I want to see spine straight. If you can open your belly, use your hand to open your butt. Right? Bum open कीजिए अपना. The joint, the hip joint should be on the floor. And then you do. Big inhale and exhale. 10, 9. If you can hold here and press. Again, try to keep your spine straight. This is also good. This is also good. Okay? Keep your spine straight and go. Check. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You do. Check. 90, 90. Hands straight without moving your upper body. Only your lower body. 1, 2. Legs open wide. 3. Don't move your upper body. Minimum movement from the upper body. Try to keep your spine straight and only move the pelvic. 3, 4, 5, 6. Both the legs, both the legs, both the legs. Both the knees should go to the right. Subhashini, both the knees should touch the floor. Yes. Slow. Himanshu, slow. You're moving your shoulder too much. Slowly. The slowest step possible. Yes. Focus on moving from the pelvic and no shoulder or upper body movement. Touch karo, Radha. Touch the knee on the floor. Touch it, touch it, touch it. And relax. Aa We go for pancake, dosto. Watch it. Now first show me if you have a straight spine in your pancake. Spine straight करके दिखाओ वैसे. If you're hungry, you're not good. You need to be here. This movement should be. This movement is from the pelvic. Posterior, anterior. Posterior, anterior. Posterior, anterior. You can do it from here as well. You can do it from here as well. Open your pelvic. Open your pelvic. Open your pelvic. Let's see. Very good. Radha, good job. Archana, very good. Subhashini, not bad. Keep opening the pelvic. Yes, Priya. हिमांशु, लेग और ओपन हो सकते हैं क्या? ट्राई करो, लेग बहुत क्लोज है. हाँ, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट करने की कोशिश करो. चलिए, वॉच मी फॉर दिस वन. I'll give you two versions for this. I'll give you two versions for this. Those who can keep the spine straight and go all the way with the straight spine. Touch the belly, touching the toes, keeping the muscles engaged, and come back. Okay? Aim for 5 of these. जिनका ये हो रहा है, this is not happening for them. Create a roll. Watch it. Roll, hold, and go back. 5, 4. Okay? So create a momentum to go deep. See if you can touch your forehead. If your forehead is touching, try to touch your chin. If your chin is touching, try to touch your upper body. If your upper body is also touching, aim for the belly.
Sir, can you show again?
Which version? The second one?
Yeah, which one are we supposed to do?
Okay. There are two versions. The first one,
Ab
the
dekh-
second one, Dada. Watch it.
Okay.
Like straight toes pointed, hips on the floor, okay? From here I'm going to create a swing a momentum and try to touch the belly. 1, 2, okay? Give it a go. Yeah, the goal is to touch the forehead first. Hold your toes and try to touch the forehead. Forehead, yes, Subhashini. Once the forehead is touching, aim for the chin. Look forward and touch the chin. Yes. If the chin starts to touch, aim for the upper body. If the upper body is touching, aim for the belly. Archana, belly touch करके दिखाओ चलो. Touch it. Your head is not touching. Come on, try more. Subhashini, very good. चलिए प्रिया जी, watch everyone. She's doing amazing. See? Yes, Priya ji, come on, touch your belly. Touch it. Belly, 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 belly. Look forward, look forward. Good job. Chali, everyone we will hold. Find your best stretch and hold. Find the deepest stretch and hold there. Chali, 10, 9, 8. आगे बढ़ो अर्चना, पेल्विक खोलो. देखो पीछे से पेल्विक नहीं ओपन है, इंटीरियर नहीं खुला हुआ है. राधा अच्छा है, आगे बढ़ो. हाथ से आगे वॉक करने की कोशिश करो. गुड ट्राई. कीप ट्राइंग. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Rest it out. Check your leg, दोस्तों. Rest it out. Relax. ठीक है. चलिए. If you have a stick, bring the stick. If you don't have a stick, योगा बेल्ट विल ऑल्सो डू. अगर आपके पास योगा बेल्ट भी नहीं रखा हुआ है तो चुन्नी, टॉवेल, एनीथिंग विल वर्क. राधा, डू यू हैव समथिंग?
I have a resistant band, but it's thin.
रेजिस्टेंस बैंड भी चलेगा, बट अगर कोई नॉन रेजिस्टेंट होगा तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. नहीं होगा तो चलेगा.
These two things I have.
नॉन रेजिस्टेंस वाला कौन सा है? हाँ, ये वाला यूज करेंगे. चलिए दोस्तों, ध्यान से देखिए. The goal is to go for a full circle without bending the elbows, okay? When you go up, I want you to keep your spine straight, lengthen your shoulder as high as you can, and come back. When you go, this should not happen, okay? This should not happen. The pelvic should be intact, in line with the spine, and you come back. Inhale and exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. अगर इजी लगने लगे क्लोज कीजिए, अगर डिफिकल्ट है ओपन कीजिए. इट शुड नॉट बी सुपर इजी, इट शुड नॉट बी सुपर डिफिकल्ट. फाइंड योर डिस्टेंस एंड गो फॉर इट. 5, 4, 3. स्पाइन का ध्यान रखिए, कोर एंगेज रखिए. 2 एंड 1. चलिए राउंड 2. ध्यान से देखिए, 50 रेप्स लगाएंगे दोस्तों. Round two, we go all in the deep squat position here. Again, knees को nose के पास बना के रखेंगे. And we go for this. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Slightly spicier than the first one, dosto. If you roll back, your body weight is going to the heel. Body weight toes पे बना के रखिए. चलिए 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. वेरी गुड. चलिए राउंड थ्री. स्ट्रेटन में आएंगे यहाँ पे. कोशिश करेंगे स्पाइक स्ट्रेट रख के यहाँ पे बैठ पाए. ठीक है. एंड देन यहाँ से जाएंगे. 1. जितना आगे उतना डिफिकल्ट है दोस्तों. 2, 3. गो फॉर इट. वेरी गुड. स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट रखते हुए. क्या बात है सुभाषिनी जी, अच्छा कर रहे हो आप. लेट्स गो प्रिया जी. हाथ को फुल एक्सटेंशन दो. राधा बहुत सुंदर. और नीचे आने की कोशिश करो. यस वेरी गुड. 6. अर्चना एल्बो बेंड हो रहा है. हाथ के बीच में गैप भी ज्यादा है. फुल एक्सटेंशन दो. हाथ को और दूर लेके जाने की कोशिश करो. अपने आप जगह बनेगी. एक्सटेंशन पूरा दीजिए. हाँ. छत की तरफ लेके जाने की कोशिश कीजिए. द इंटेंशन इज टू गो ऑल ओवर द स्काई. फुल सर्कल. चलिए 3, 2, 1. Again, when you're moving the shoulder, only the shoulder should move. Your leg, your pelvic, your spine should be straight and should not move. Make sense? केवल शोल्डर से मूवमेंट आना चाहिए. दैट्स द आइसोलेशन पार्ट. द फोर्थ वन इज फ्रॉम द फॉरवर्ड बेंड पोजीशन दोस्तों. हिप के नीचे ब्लॉक रख सकते हैं इफ द स्पाइन इज नॉट स्ट्रेट. हिप के नीचे ब्लॉक रख सकते हैं. अगेन 1. When I'm moving the shoulder, only the shoulder should move. 2. Both the toes press, knees press towards the floor. 3. Okay, let's go. Upper body should be intact. Yes, Subhashini, very good. Both the toes flexed. Find the right distance. Look forward, don't look down. Try to touch your belly towards the quads. Quads and bellies को टच करने की कोशिश कीजिए. स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रखने की कोशिश कीजिए. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. चलिए लास्ट वन दोस्तों. इट्स बेली ऑन द फ्लोर. फुली लाई डाउन ऑन द फ्लोर. फुल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द हैंड फर्स्ट एंड देन वी गो फॉर रोटेशन. ध्यान से देखिए. ऐसे पहले फ्लोर पे रखेंगे ऑल द वे डाउन. फोरहेड ऑन द फ्लोर. द फोरहेड शुड नॉट लिफ्ट. द फोरहेड शुड बी ऑलवेज ऑन द फ्लोर. ओके. एंड देन यू गो इनहेल. एक्सहेल. This extension, go for the extension. Chill. Last time. 9. Forehead on the floor, forehead on the floor, forehead should not release. 8. 7. एक्सटेंशन दीजिए. पहले हाथ को एक्सटेंशन दीजिए फिर रोटेशन दीजिए. एक्सटेंशन फर्स्ट एंड देन रोटेशन. 6, 5. Fist should not open. Those who are using the belt, the fist should not open. 4, 3. Priyaji, your fist is opening. The stick is slightly difficult. The little finger should have the grip. Go for it, go for it. 3. Keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. 2. And 1. Beautiful. Now one exercise दोस्तों. This is for your alignment. ध्यान से देखिए यार. There are two parts of this exercise. Part one, let's learn the part one first. Watch. Lie down on the floor. You see there is a natural curve in our lower back. There is a natural curve in the lower back. So we need to engage our core and keep the spine straight. One, two, three. Engage your core. This is your anterior pelvic. Take the pelvic is open like this. Squeeze the glute and engage the core. And the spine will be straight. Everyone can see in the camera. Look forward between the hands. Think of it like a handstand only. Let's go for it. 10 of these.
Should we breathe out when we tuck in?
Just a second. Radha, can you speak again?
Should we breathe out when we tuck our pelvic in?
Okay, so you have to breathe in, squeeze, breathe out. Okay. At the same time, when we do the hold, this is just to practice. When we hold, it should be a normal breathing. Okay. In the handstand, we are not holding the breath. So this is just for the practice. But when you do the hold, it should be a normal breathing in and breathing out. Chali, everyone, go for it. Chin touching the floor, look forward. Chin touching the floor, look forward. Hands on the floor, full extension. Toes roll on the floor. Toes roll on the floor, Archana. Full extension. Spine को पूरा extension दीजिए. And then glute press towards the floor. Engage your core. I want to see the straight spine. चलिए 10. Yes, Himanshu, thank you. 9. Very good. 8. 7. You will realize you have to engage a little bit of quads as well. 6. 5. 4. सामने देखो. आर्म पिट्स को फ्लोर पे टच करने की कोशिश करो. हाथ को और एक्सटेंड करो. राधा टोस टुगेदर. हाँ, जितना दूर जा सकते हो उतना दूर जाने की कोशिश करो. लंबा होना है हमको. स्पाइन को लेंथन करने की कोशिश करो. 2. चलिए सब जने होल्ड करके दिखाएंगे मुझे. मैं पिक्चर लेके दिखाऊंगा आपको. 3, 2, 1. होल्ड इट. Spine straight and hold, core engaged, glute engaged. Normal inhale and exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. वैसे लो. चलिए ध्यान से देखिए. पिक्चर देखेंगे और अब मुझे बताएंगे कि किससे अच्छा दिख रहा है. कम बैक एंड वॉच. See, spine is looking straight. You can slide your hand under the navel point. That's the key here. That's the key. And that's a straight line handstand. इसको handstand vertical में imagine करेंगे. Handstand दिख रहा है? देखिए handstand हो गया. Does it make sense? Can you relate? अर्चना जी, आप ठीक से नहीं लगा रहे हो. देखो आप पेल्विक लिफ्ट कर रहे हो. आपने बेली फ्लोर पे रख दिया और आपका पेल्विक ऊपर जा रहा है. होना उल्टा था. आपको बेली को लिफ्ट करना है और पेल्विक को फ्लोर पे लेके आना है. एक गैप बनेगा आपका अंडर द नेवल पॉइंट. यू विल फाइंड अ गैप अंडर द नेवल पॉइंट. यू कैन स्लाइड योर हैंड और स्टिक अंडर इट. सेम फॉर यू Radha. There is still a curve, so the gap under is not enough. We need to squeeze more. For you, I can't see. This angle is not good, and the side angle I can only see lower body. So give me a good angle. आपके जहां पे toes है वहां पे आप हाथ रखो. From this angle I can check better, you know. चलिए. Now as I said, there are two parts of this exercise. There are two parts of this exercise. First, the core engagement. Everyone understand the core part? How to engage the glute tight, spine straight. Okay. From there, the hand needs to be lifted behind the ears. Okay. For that, we get back to the yoga belt. Okay. Watch me. जिनको फर्स्ट राउंड, those who are not able to do the first round, please try it one more time. because if you don't do the first part right, the second part will not give you that intense feeling or effectiveness. Watch it. So what I really want to do is first I want to squeeze the glute, so make sure the spine is straight. Everyone understand this part? Give me a thumbs up from there. Everyone understand? Now you can see there is a gap here. I can slide my hand. Okay. The second part is keeping the chin on the floor and lift the hand up and hold it. Right? This is not a straight handstand. This is a straight line. Right? So let's practice it on the floor before we try it on the wall. Chalo. All right, everyone, let's go. Full extension, glute engage, core engage, spine straight, lift both the hands up and hold. सुभांश हिमांशु हाथ बहुत दूर है, हाथ पास में रखो कान के, बिल्कुल पास में, बिल्कुल पास में. The distance between the hands should not be more than 6 to 8 inches. अर्चना हिप अभी भी ऊपर है, हिप फ्लोर पे लो, कोर नेवल पॉइंट खींचो, toes together Radha. Now you're getting the core part right Radha. Now can you lift your hands up now? Yes, hold it here. चलो 10. सुभाषिनी नहीं हो रहा है सही, हिप को फ्लोर पे रखो, नेवल पॉइंट रिलीज करो. यस नहीं. ऑलराइट, I'll tell you who's doing right. Radha is doing right now. Himanshu is doing right. Priyaji, more engagement from the glute. Yes, good try. You are also doing right. Subhashini and Archana, relax. Everyone else, Radha, Priya, Himanshu, hold it for 10 counts. Subhashini, Archana, वापस देखिए. Watch them. Priya, Himanshu. Very good. 10. 9. Chin on the floor. Don't lift your chin. 7. 6. Glute more engage. 5. 4. 3. 2. Hands up. Hands in the air. Radha, come on. And 1. Relax. Now, Radha, did you notice जब आप हाथ फ्लोर पे लाते हो पेल्विक खुल जाता है. जब आप पेल्विक एंगेज करते हो हाथ लिफ्ट करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. Right?
Yes.
And that's why the alignment is something to learn on the floor. अगर हम फ्लोर पे अच्छे से नहीं कर पाएंगे, imagine doing it in the handstand. The whole body weight will be on the hand, the body will not react until we do a good job in on the floor. Okay? Make sense? Subhashini ji and अर्चना थोड़ा मुझे एंगल अच्छा दो, थोड़ा कैमरे से दूर जाओ. सुभाषिनी जी आपका एंगल अच्छा है, एक बार फिर से ट्राई करेंगे. हाथ को स्लाइड करके दिखाओ मुझे बेली के नीचे से. बेली के नीचे से नहीं, हिप के नहीं, बेली के नीचे से. और स्क्वीज करो ग्लूट को, और स्क्वीज करो. हाँ, अरे हिप को फ्लोर की तरफ स्क्वीज करो. आप हिप ओपन कर रहे हो, मैं क्लोज करने की बोल रहा हूं. हाँ, रिवर्स ऑफ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. और खींचो जब तक आपका लोअर बैक हवा में नहीं आता. लोअर बैक को हवा में लो. नहीं आ रहा है. और खींचो. लोअर बैक हवा में दिखना चाहिए. हाथ स्लाइड करके दिखाओ. अर्चना योर टर्न. अच्छी कोशिश है बट इनफ नहीं है सुभाषिनी. और नहीं, आप हिप को ऊपर ले रहे हो. हिप और लोअर बैक एक साथ ऊपर जा रहा है. हिप फ्लोर पे रखो, लोअर बैक खींचो केवल. आप हिप ऊपर ले रहे हो अर्चना. सुभाषिनी आपका अच्छा हो रहा है बट हाथ को स्लाइड करके दिखाओ. मुझे हाथ स्लाइड करके दिखाओ. आप दोनों सुन रहे हो मुझे? एक हाथ तो बेली के नीचे से स्लाइड करके दिखाओ. एक हाथ से जी. ये बेली नहीं है, ये हिप है. ये बेली है. हाँ, जगह बनाओ और जगह बनाओ. हिप नहीं लिफ्ट करो, लोअर बैक लिफ्ट करो. देखिए ये आइसोलेशन का पार्ट है. दोनों जने रिलैक्स करो, कम बैक अगेन. 30 सेकेंड्स हियर, देन वी मूव फॉरवर्ड. आपको ये प्रैक्टिस करना ही पड़ेगा. ये आइसोलेटेड होना चाहिए. जब मैं बोलूं आप ये नहीं करोगे, ये भी नहीं करोगे, ये करने की कोशिश नहीं करो. हिप को फ्लोर पे रखो, हिप को फ्लोर पे प्रेस करो. ये करना है, ये आना चाहिए. दिस मूवमेंट शुड बी विजिबल एंड इंटैक्ट. राइट? दिस हैज टू बी देयर. And then you lift the hand up and create a straight line. शोल्डर ओपनिंग का एक स्ट्रेच लगाएंगे दोस्तों, ध्यान से देखिए, ब्लॉक लेके आइए एलिवेटेड सरफेस से। नाइन्टी डिग्री एंगल बनाएंगे, एल्बोस को फ्लोर एलिवेटेड सरफेस पे रखेंगे, आर्म पिट्स को फ्लोर की तरफ। 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1 एंड होल्ड इट। आ जाओ, आर्म पिट्स टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर, आर्म पिट टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर। आपके पास ब्लॉक नहीं है, हाथ के बीच में आप पानी का बोतल रख सकते हो। एच पे रहने की कोशिश करो, क्रॉल पोजीशन में आओ, जितना नीज पीछे लेके जाएंगे उतना डिफिकल्ट होता जाएगा। लुक फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द चेयर एंड इफ यू कैन लुक टुवर्ड्स द स्काई। एक ब्लॉक सुभाषिनी, नॉट टू ब्लॉक्स, ओनली वन ब्लॉक। एल्बोस को रखिए सुभाषिनी, इजी हो गया। एल्बोस को रखिए, दोनों हाथ छत की तरफ, ध्यान से देखो सुभाषिनी, वॉच इट अगेन। पाम टुवर्ड्स द स्काई, पाम टुवर्ड्स द स्काई। प्रिया आप सही कर रहे हो, ओनली सुभाषिनी, एवरीवन एल्स इज डूइंग गुड। राधा लुक फॉरवर्ड, सेम थिंग बट लुक फॉरवर्ड, यस सेम थिंग, just look forward. Keep opening the shoulder, armpits towards the floor, armpits towards the floor. चलो, hold it for 10, hold करो, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, rather look forward, 2, and 1. Rest it out. There is the second part of this exercise, which is first you open the shoulder all the way and then you squeeze your glute and engage your core, engage your rib cage and try to create a straight spine. Okay? And that's your straight line handstand. Watch it. First, you open the shoulder as much as you can, as much as you can. Now there is an arch in the spine, so you squeeze your glute, squeeze your rib cage, create a straight spine, and you hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Then you engage again, straight spine, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. जिनके लिए इजी है इसको पीछे नीचे, ये डिफिकल्ट होगा चला जाएगा, ठीक है? चलो, let's aim for 6 of these, 5 second hold. स्ट्रेट स्पाइन बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए, स्ट्रेट स्पाइन। हाँ, नीज पीछे लीजिए सुभाषिनी, हाँ वेरी गुड। स्क्वीज योर ग्लूट, स्क्वीज योर रिब केज, आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ, इंगेज करो इंगेज करो इंगेज करो। शोल्डर लिफ्ट हो रहे हैं अर्चना, जब आप स्क्वीज करोगे ग्लूट को, कोर को, तो शोल्डर लिफ्ट होता है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए, शोल्डर लिफ्ट नहीं होना चाहिए। शोल्डर को प्रेस करके रखो, आर्म पिट्स को प्रेस करो फ्लोर की तरफ, कीप प्रेसिंग योर आर्म पिट्स टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर। अर्चना ओपन योर शोल्डर्स ऑल द वे टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर, ओपन फर्स्ट, ओपन द शोल्डर फर्स्ट, ओपन मोर 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 मोर, हाथ सीधा रखो, हाथ सीधा रखो, वेरी गुड। अब शोल्डर यही रखो और पेल्विक एंगेज करो, यस नाउ यू आर डूइंग इट राइट। और खींचो और खींचो और खींचो और खींचो एंड रिलैक्स। चलो राधा, आई एम वॉचिंग। हिमांशु वेरी गुड, शोल्डर ओपन फर्स्ट, वेरी गुड, स्क्वीज, यस राधा गुड जॉब, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग इट। सुभाषिनी आप भी अच्छा कर रहे हो, एवरीवन इज डूइंग गुड। हाथ सीधा रखेंगे सुभाषिनी, हाथ सीधा रखो, ब्लॉक को नीचे लेके आओ, दोनों हाथ के बीच में लेके आओ। और हाथ सीधा कैसे हुआ, हाथ सीधा हुआ ना, आप हाथ पास में लेके आ रहे हो। डोंट ब्रिंग योर हैंड्स क्लोज टू ईच अदर, कीप योर हैंड्स इन लाइन विद द शोल्डर एंड द एल्बो। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए सुभाषिनी, हाथ, द हैंड शुड बी इन लाइन विद द एल्बोज, राइट, सीधा होना चाहिए, सीधा, दैट्स व्हाई द ब्लॉक। डोंट कीप द ब्लॉक लाइक दिस, कीप इट हियर। एवरीवन गेट्स दिस? चलिए 10 seconds more, then we move for the next one. Rest it out, relax. All right, watch me. Two parts or two versions of this exercise. Those who can go V up, will give me V ups. V up. If this is difficult, you up. Both the knees and shoulders should come together. Knees and shoulders should touch. Knees and shoulders should touch. Okay. Give me as fast as you can. Aim for 30. Chalo. 3, 2, 1. Fastest 30 reps. चलो. अर्चना बहुत बढ़िया है. तो टच होने चाहिए. लेग स्ट्रेट रखो. लेग स्ट्रेट रखो. लेग स्ट्रेट रखो. और नीचे रेस्ट नहीं करो. When you go down, don't rest the legs. राधा अच्छा है. Toes together. Subhashini, try to keep the leg straight. More effort, Subhashini, more effort. We need more effort. Yes. Aim for 30. चलो हिमांशु 30. बिना रुके. Priya, try the difficult one. This is too easy for you. Come on. Too easy for you. Give me the difficult one. Finish 30. Give me a thumbs up. Radha 30 नहीं हुए. Come on. Yes, Priya, that's what I'm talking about. Watch it, everyone. Clean lines. Go for it, Radha. Priya, go. See, she's the most experienced among us, dosto. We should take some inspiration from her. Good job. And you will see in her handstand alignment how amazing she is because she has a strong core. We all need to work on the conditioning part. Dosto, we need strong muscles to hold the handstand. Done 30 done. Himanshu done. Priya, Archana 30 done. Radha done 30. Subhashini 30. Yes. All right. One for the legs. And then we go for the shoulders and the handstand. Watch it. Bring a chair or any elevated surface. Here. Watch it. And don't lean. So I'm going to keep with my right leg this way. Okay? Don't lean this side. I want you to stand straight, spine straight, and kick as much as you can. Keep your legs straight, toes pointed. Okay? You will feel tension in your side obliques as well. Engage that as high as you can. As high as you can. As high as you can. Use hand only for the balance. Don't lean forward. Don't lean sideways. Okay? So let's aim for 20 kicks each leg. 20 kicks each leg. The toe should be pointed. I should be able to see your muscles. Very good. More height. This is good. Chalo. More height, more height, more height. Toes point, Subhashini. More toes pointed. Muscle engage. Archana, toes more point. Sharp point karo toes. They should look like a knife. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7. Good effort, Archana. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side change. Chili. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. चलिए ध्यान से देखिए. One small correction, we go for the hold. ध्यान से देखिए. Everyone will check their own legs. Watch it. We'll go for the hold. When you lift, the leg should not be open. The toe should not open towards the sky. This is external rotation of the hip. We want the toe to be internal rotation of the hip. So the toe should face the camera, not the sky. Understand? Toe should face the camera. And then you give me a hold here or here. Okay? As high as you can. Chalo. 30 seconds each leg. Internal rotation of the hip, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes point, leg up and hold it. 30 seconds. Khicho, Himanshu for you 40. 1 मिनट का गोल होना चाहिए दोस्तों, ये आपका होमवर्क है। होल्ड करना है राधा, होल्ड करो। इंटरनल रोटेशन प्रिया, इंटरनल रोटेशन। होल्ड करो अर्चना, होल्ड करो, जान लगाओ, मर जाएंगे, गिरने नहीं देंगे पाँव को। 5 4 3, टोस पॉइंट राधा, 2 and 1। सब जने ध्यान से सुनिए दोस्तों, आई नो इट्स डिफिकल्ट, डोंट गिव अप डॉट इजी ऑन योरसेल्फ। आप यहां से शुरू करते हो, यहाँ शुरू किया और फिर वो ऐसे 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 30 तक वो यहाँ हो जाता है। होल्ड करने की कोशिश करो, होल्ड करो, होल्ड करो, यू हैव टू रियली कीप योरसेल्फ स्ट्रांग हियर। चलो लेग चेंज। 5 हैंडस्टैंड में ये सब इंटेंशंस काम आएंगे दोस्तों। इफ यू कांट होल्ड इट हियर, डोंट इमेजिन योरसेल्फ होल्डिंग इन द हैंडस्टैंड, यू रियली हैव टू पुश। 3 2 1, लेट्स गो, लिफ्ट अप एंड होल्ड 30 seconds। इट्स नॉट द मसल प्रिपरेशन, इट्स द मेंटल प्रिपरेशन दोस्तों। हाउ मच डू यू हैव हियर? लेट्स गो। 5, toes point, more up, come on राधा, come on। 10, खींचो और हिमांशु, मुझे चेहरे पे इंटेंसिटी दिखनी चाहिए। हाउ कैन यू रिलैक्स? इफ यू रिलैक्स यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर बेस्ट। 10 more। 5 4 3, now smile and relax, rest it up। All right, shake your legs। 3 exercises for the shoulder stability। ध्यान से देखिए, just for practice on the floor, second level on the elevated surface, third one Priya, Himanshu, those who are doing really good in their handstand journey will try it on the handstand. Now from here onwards all the drills will go 3 exercises basically for the shoulder stability and the strength, and then the rest will talk about the alignment and the balance. Watch it. The first one, just to learn scapula up and down. Now when I'm doing the scapula, it's only the scapula. Level 2, plank. This is the real deal dosto, starts from here. Elevated surface, the more weight you keep on the shoulder, the difficult it is for you to move. Okay? Priya, Himanshu, show me from the handstand. Hands really close, ear touching the shoulder, and you go down and you go up. 1 2 3, glute नहीं खुलना चाहिए, glute engage रखो, spine straight रखते हुए। 4 5, aim for 20। चलो 20 reps। Everyone else do it from the floor except for Himanshu and Priya। Elevated surface, राधा spine straight रख के लगाओ, same movement, spine straight। देखो, come back and watch राधा। Everyone please watch it once, especially those who are doing on the floor। Don't do it from here, keep your posterior tight, spine straight, core engage already, and then move, then move। Okay, this is not the rep,
Okay.
this is the rep। Okay, चलो okay, 20 reps। हिमांशु पूरा वेट हाथ पे होना चाहिए। प्रिया जी, द होल वेट शुड बी ऑन द हैंड्स, यू आर यूजिंग वॉल ओनली फॉर द बैलेंस। देन यू गो स्लोली नोज टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर and press all the way until your ear touches the shoulder। Aim for 20, you can go 2 rounds 10 10 k। Very good। सुभाषिनी plank, राधा plank से लगाओ, same thing on the plank, not elevated plank but from the plank, but from the plank। राधा अच्छा आ रहा है, अभी चेयर पे ट्राई करो। अर्चना अच्छा आ रहा है, चेयर पे ट्राई करो। once it starts to really feel easy। up and down motion Priya, no forward backward, up and down motion। elbow should not bend, only from the scapula। beautiful। finish 20, give me a thumbs up। posterior tight Himanshu, rest is coming nice। yes, नीचे आते समय posterior खुलना नहीं चाहिए। very good। stretch number 2 और exercise number 2 for shoulder stability। watch it। Shoulder taps. Again, glute engage, spine straight, shoulder taps. All the way down the hands. All the way down the hands. Level 2, all the way down the hands. All the way down the hands. Don't relax here. Engage your spine, glute, core, and then you go. Level 3 is the real deal. Touch, shift, touch, shift, touch, shift, touch, shift. Priya and Himanshu, same thing from the handstand. Shift, 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 shift. Again, aim for 30 reps here, dosto. You can do it in 2 rounds. Chalo. Priya, Himanshu, this is going to be slightly difficult. Aim for 30 reps. आ जाओ. शोल्डर पे वेट लो अर्चना. शोल्डर पे वेट नहीं है. हाथ से पांव से वॉक करो. पांव से वॉक करो. हिप को छत की तरफ लो. शोल्डर के ऊपर लेके जाओ हिप को. शोल्डर के ऊपर. डाउनवर्ड डॉग में. डाउनवर्ड डॉग में आओ. पूरा वेट हाथ पे लो. हिप को शोल्डर के ऊपर लो और फिर ट्राई करो. अर्चना डाउनवर्ड डॉग कैसे लगाते हैं? डाउनवर्ड डॉग. वेरी गुड. अभी बॉडी वेट पूरा शिफ्ट करो शोल्डर पे. पांव से वॉक करो. पांव से वॉक करो. पांव से वॉक करो. पांव से वॉक करो हाथ की तरफ. अरे पांव कौन सा है हमारा? पांव कहाँ है हमारा? पांव. लेग से वॉक टुवर्ड्स द हैंड. सुभाषिनी जी, यू आर डूइंग राइट. नाउ होल्ड इट हियर. नाउ होल्ड इट हियर. नाउ शोल्डर टैप्स. नाउ शोल्डर टैप्स. नहीं 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 आ रहा है. वॉच इट अगेन. वॉच इट अगेन. एवरीवन प्लीज वॉच. My goal is to have more weight on the hands. ये थोड़ी होना है. ये थोड़ी होना है. पूरा वेट हाथ पे चाहिए. पूरा वेट. And then shift. Watch it from the front. All the weight on the hands. And then you shift. 1, 2. Really slow and control. Watch, I'm on my thumbs here. On the thumb here. Here. Right? Hello. Let's see. लोअर बॉडी का ध्यान रखो हिमांशु. प्रिया जी अच्छा कर रहे हो आप. वेरी गुड. अर्चना, कैन यू टच योर ईयर टू द शोल्डर? हेड इनसाइड and go. Head inside. Don't look forward. Head inside. Look between the hands. Now go. Weight on the hands. Again, weight on the hands. Weight पूरा पाँव पे चला गया है. हाँ, now go. Subhashini, you're doing good. Radha, what happened? Bring back, come back to the senses. Come on, start again. डाउनवर्ड डॉग में आओ राधा. डिफिकल्ट ट्राई करो. इट्स टू इजी. पूरा वेट हाथ पे लो. टोस पे आओ. And go. Now go. Now shift your weight. And go. Now this is difficult. Try it from the elevated. Arjuna, go to the chair. Subhashini, go to the chair now. Radha, very good. Finish this round and bring the chair. आराम से. Finish your 30. Very good. Wrist rotation, rest it out once you finish. Now the third exercise for shoulder stability is the handstand walk. ठीक है. Subhashini, Radha, Archana, you will give me walk, straight walks. Himanshu and Priya, I want you to try the side walks, left to right and right to left. Okay. Let me show you from 2 different angles. Now, those who are trying for the first time or tried it before but they are not really good at it, you can also use the chair for this one, okay? The goal is to be able to walk all the way, touch your forehead and come back. Slow and controlled. If you can do 3 of these, you have good shoulder strength and stability both for the handstand. If you can't do 3, you need to practice more. Everyone understands me? Watch me. So we go from the plank position. जितना हम plank से जाएंगे, जितना small steps लेंगे, उतना difficult होगा, ठीक है? So don't go here. This is easy. This is easy. Okay. Try to do it from here, from the plank. Slow, small steps. Small steps. Engage your core. Small steps. Small steps. Small steps. Keep walking. Walk. 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 The goal is to be able to touch all the way. Himanshu and Priya, you can do this already. I want you to open your leg in standard and walk sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side change. 1, 2, 3, 4. जितनी जगह है उतनी. If you don't have space, you can try this as well. Straight line. 1, 2. 1 to the right, 1 to the left. Okay? चलो. That's it. Radha, we need wall angle. देखो ऐसा, ये एंगल मिलेगा तो भी अच्छा है राधा, और ये एंगल मिलेगा तो भी अच्छा है. या तो फ्रंट या तो साइड. अच्छा है हिमांशु, अच्छा है. अर्चना अंदर आओ, अंदर आओ, अंदर आओ. हाँ चलेगा राधा, अच्छी जगह. अच्छा है, अच्छा है, अच्छा है. थोड़ा उस तरफ 1 फीट डिस्टेंस के साथ ट्राई करो. यस प्रिया जी, अच्छा कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो. 4 to the right, 4 to the left. एम फॉर 2 राउंड्स. चलो सुभाषिनी, लेट्स गो. लेट्स सी अर्चना. स्मॉल स्टेप्स लेना शुरू करो. स्मॉल स्टेप्स, जितना स्मॉल उतना अच्छा है. हाँ स्मॉल स्टेप्स. यस. जाते जाओ, हाथ से वॉक करना शुरू करो अभी. सुभाषिनी लेट्स गो. यस ट्राई करो राघव, कितना जा पा रहे हो, कितना जा पा रहे हो, मैक्सिमम ट्राई करो. वापस आओ. वेरी गुड. एम फॉर 3. नीचे आ जाओ सुभाषिनी, वापस जाओ. आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो. हाथ से आगे करो, स्टेप फॉरवर्ड करो. आपको स्टेपिंग सीखना पड़ेगा सुभाषिनी. हाथ से आगे पीछे वॉक आना ही चाहिए. ट्राई अगेन. इफ इट इज नॉट कमिंग, यूज द चेयर. देखिए दोस्तों, द सेम थिंग कैन बी डन ऑन द चेयर एज वेल. ध्यान से देखो. हिप को शोल्डर के ऊपर लेके आना है हमें. प्लैंक लगाया, ऐसे लेग से हाथ से वॉक करो. हाथ से वॉक करो. वॉक करो, जितना अंदर आ सकते हो उतना अंदर आओ. हिप शोल्डर के ऊपर जाना चाहिए. एंड वॉक फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है. एम फॉर 3 ऑफ दीज. होल्ड करो एट योर मैक्सिमम. होल्ड करो एट योर मैक्सिमम. चलिए. नाइस. ये मच बेटर है सुभाषिनी, बहुत अच्छा है. एम फॉर 5 सेकेंड. होल्ड एवरी सिंगल टाइम यू कम डाउन. राधा पूरा वेट हाथ पे लो, पाँव पे वेट नहीं चाहिए. पूरा वेट हाथ पे लो. हैंडस्टैंड सीखना है. वेरी गुड. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 एंड वॉक फॉरवर्ड एंड वॉक इन साइड अगेन. अर्चना वेरी गुड जॉब, वेरी गुड जॉब, वेरी गुड जॉब. टोज रोल करो. टोज रोल कर लो वॉल पे. पूरा वेट हाथ पे लो. वेरी गुड. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. वॉक फॉरवर्ड and relax. Now everyone, we go for a hold. Priya, Himanshu ji, you want to go for a straight line and hold as much as you can. Archana, same for you. The last spot that we hold, we need to hold there. Radha, Subhashini, you go inside on the chair as much as you can and you give me the best hold that you can. Subhashini and Radha aim for 30. Archana, Damodar, Priya and Himanshu aim for at least a minute. Chalo, on my count. मेरे count पे in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go up and hold it. All the weight on the hand, all the weight on the hand, and keep pushing your shoulder towards the wall. Keep pushing your shoulder towards the wall. All the weight on the hand, minimum on the chair and minimum on the wall. Come on Archana, 15 seconds only. Aim for a minute, come on. Radha, we go one more time. It's difficult, but you have to build the shoulder strength here. Very good Priya, good job. Himanshu, very good. Body weight on the hands. Himanshu, I want only the nails on the wall. पाँव का अंगूठा, only the nails. Priya, only the nails on the wall. The nail of the thumb should be on the wall. That's it. Good job. 30 more. Subhashini, good job. 30 seconds. Stay there, stay there, stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest it out. Now, those who find it hard to hold for a minute, this is a checkpoint, Anything that we try to do on in the handstand, if you don't have enough time in under the tension, you won't be able to do much, right? For example, I tell you, move your shoulder, move your pelvic, spine is not straight, leg is not straight. If you cannot hold there for a minute, you won't be able to make those changes. Make sense? You should be comfortable holding on the wall for at least a minute. So, Radha, Archana, Subhashini, your homework, write it before the next class. You should work on the time. I can give you homework later in the class as well, but if you can write it right now as well. Okay? The shoulder stability 3 exercises that we did: scapula push ups, shoulder taps, and the wall walks. Okay? And then hold and the hold. These 4 exercises along with the warm up and everything. Right? You should do it at least 3 times a day. At least 3 times. If you can do daily, very good. But at least 3 times. Your shoulders will be sore. So you need time to recover and then get back. But we need this. Priya ji, Himanshu, you guys did good.
Sir,
4 exercises. लिखो फटाफट. Shoulder taps, scapula push-ups, wall walks, and hold. Handstand hold. जितना भी आता है राधा, सुभाषिनी जी, आप वॉक नहीं कर पा रहे हो, बट जितना भी आता है आपको, यहां से गए, यहां पे आ गए, यहीं पे होल्ड करो, टाइमर लगा लो, दोनों हाथ के बीच में फोन रखो और इधर ही होल्ड करो, पेल्विक नहीं खोलना बस, ठीक है, पकड़ के रखो ऐसे, ईयर टचिंग द शोल्डर, ब्लूटिंग दे, होल्ड करो इधर ही, 1 मिनट का गोल बनाओ, अपने आप ही आना शुरू होगा, धीरे धीरे अपने आप होगा, राइट? डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. You do the homework that I tell you to do, you will see improvement every week. Okay? चलिए आगे बढ़े, आगे बढ़े, आगे बढ़े, आगे बढ़े. वेरी गुड. चलिए ध्यान से देखिए, 1 elbow distance, 1 elbow distance. आप राधा एंड सुभाषिनी, आपके लिए मैं अलग ड्रिल बताऊंगा. अर्चना, प्रिया एंड हिमांशु, वी विल डू दिस. आई शो यू फ्रॉम साइड एकदम. Watch it. 1 elbow distance, 1 elbow distance. Okay. We go for the handstand, straight line. Then we bring one leg inside. Then we bring the second leg inside and see if we can hold it there. जितना shoulder को push करेंगे, the more we push our shoulder towards the wall, the better it is for the shoulder opening and for the stability as well. Watch it. Up. 1 elbow distance. Ear touching the shoulder. Okay. Now bring one leg in. Bring the second leg in. Now this is too close for me. Now I want to open the shoulder this. 1, 2. This is too easy for me. So I want to go a little closer again. Okay. Now, one leg in. The hip needs to be on the top of the shoulder. Or maybe on the hip. Here. Right? Shoulder should do away on towards the head. Right? On top of the head. If you can. Now from here you want to touch the head. 1. Keep pressing the hands. 2, 3. Aim for 6 to 8. The closer you are, the better it is for the alignment. Okay? Let's see. And for Subhashini and Radha, you will do this. Find the closest step possible. Closest here. Okay? If this is your best, you go down and you go all the way up. If you can come close and try again. Up and up. That's your entry. Go down, go up. Aim for 5 inches. If you can come down, step close, and 1, 2. ठीक है, डाउन एंड चल ट्राई करो. Have socks, a pair of socks will really help you. Himanshu, knees a little more down. And perfect. Touch your head. Very good. Without bending the elbows. Keep pressing from the hands. Beautiful. 10, 9, 8, 7. चलो अर्चना टच करो, टच करो, टच करो. हेड को टच करने की कोशिश करो वॉल पे. 6, 5, 4. More. Priya, more. 3. The hand needs to be one step closer to the wall. Priya, one step closer to the wall. 2. Radha, अच्छा कर रहे हो. Aim for 5. 1. Subhashini, can you come down and take one hand, one step inside? Subhashini, एक step अंदर लो and try it from here. Yes. Yes. अरे good job. All the way up. Very good. Radha, try the jump part if you can jump. It's also a good one. Good entry. Subhashini, बढ़िया है. 1. All the way. Number 2. Very good. Number 3. Nice. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Come on, one more. And go back. Radha, your turn. Go for it. Come on. Yes. All the way up. And bring it down. Ear touching the shoulder. अंदर आने दो. धीरे धीरे वॉक करो. Yes. सुंदर है. 1. Go back. वेट वॉल की तरफ नहीं राधा. जब पांव से वॉक करो हिप को शोल्डर के ऊपर रखो. वेट हाथ पे ही चाहिए. केवल नीचे आ रहे हो आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हो. वॉल की तरफ हिप नहीं जाना चाहिए. अगर वॉल की तरफ हिप गया बॉडी वेट शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. वॉल पे वेट नहीं चाहिए. वॉल केवल बैलेंस के लिए चाहिए. वेट पूरा हाथ पे चाहिए. ठीक है. चलिए. एनी कंफ्यूजन अर्चना योर्स. लेट्स सी. यस स्लाइड बैक. दोनों हाथ के बीच में. हाँ जितना अंदर उतना अच्छा है अर्चना. वेरी गुड. अच्छा है. प्रिया और हिमांशु आपका मैंने देख लिया था ना. वॉच मी फॉर द नेक्स्ट राउंड. ध्यान से देखो. एवरीवन प्लीज कम बैक. वॉच मी. वी विल गो फॉर अ होल्ड. सुभाषिनी राधा यू ब्रिंग योर नीज डाउन. हिप एंड नी इन लाइन एंड यू गिव मी अ होल्ड. हिमांशु अर्चना प्रिया वॉच मी. You open your shoulder towards the wall as much as you can, but then you look between the hands and shift the weight back to the fingers. Right? Watch me. So when I'm opening the shoulder, the whole weight is going to the wall. I open my max and then I shift the weight back to the hands. Find the distance that feels good to you. You can bring one leg or you can bring both the legs here. First, I want to open. When I'm open, and then I look between the hands and I started shifting the weight. Now this is the minimum of the wall, right? Minimum of the wall. Give me a hold here, 30 seconds minimum. You can release later. Right? Chal.
So video is getting stuck.
Sorry. Come again.
Video is getting stuck, not able to see the position.
Oh, is it better now? Should I show again?
Oh, better if you can show again, sir.
But is it good now? The internet is good now? Okay.
Yes.
Watch me again. The first goal is to open the shoulder towards the wall. When you open the shoulder towards the wall, the body weight is on the wall. Okay? You open your shoulder maximum as much as you can, and then you look between the hands and shift the weight back to the hands. Watch it. So find the distance. Bring one leg or both the legs, whatever works for you. Then you open the shoulder first. Find your maximum stretch. And then you look between the hands. Start shifting the weight here. Until you feel lightest on the wall. You can release later as well. Okay. Sure.
सर हमें क्या करना है?
आपको और सुभाषिनी, you have to hold at the tuck. So bring your knees down in line with the hip and hold it there. चलिए 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look between the hands. Shift your weight and hold. Watch Radha and hold
I
it.
come.
सुभाषिनी हाथ और अंदर लो, हाथ और अंदर लो. पिछले राउंड में हाथ अंदर था, नीचे आओ, हाथ अंदर लो. Come down one step down, closer to the wall and go again. One step closer and go again. Radha, again, the closest you can keep your hands to the wall and then try to go up. Himanshu, very good. Now shift your weight, Himanshu. Look between the hands and shift your weight. Look between the hands and shift your weight. Yes, now I want only the nails on the wall. Yes, this is also good. Very good. Good one. Archana, please watch. This is what we are trying to do. Shift the weight on the fingers. Weight, feel the weight on the fingers. Very good. 10, 9. Priya, look between the hands now and try to shift the weight back to the hands. Light test on the wall. Knee release. I want only the nails on the wall. Chalo, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Bring your knees down, Radha, and hold. 3, 2. This is where you need to hold. 2 and 1. Himanshu, Priya, you killed it. Radha, Subhashini, very good job. Archana, let's do that again. एक एक करके सबका चेक करते हैं. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अर्चना. एवरीवन टेक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक. रिस्ट रोटेशन, शोल्डर रोटेशन, and let's watch Archana doing it. Very good. Knees down, toes roll. Shoulder towards the wall first. Shoulder towards the wall first as much as you can. Try to touch the head. Now shift the weight. Yes, good job. Shift the weight on your fingers. Shift the weight on your finger. Light test on the wall. Toes roll करो. Toes roll करो. नहीं नहीं, knee release करेंगे first. First you release the knee from the wall. Lift. Look between the hands. No, don't try all this. Archana, don't try anything that I am not telling you to do. Don't try anything that I am not telling you to do. Keep both the toes on the wall. Just shift the weight on the hands and hold there. Don't release the toe. Toes on the wall, only release the knee, get the hip over the shoulder and hold there. If you can hold 30-40 seconds, then only the leg release will come. Okay? Very good. Knees down. Very good. Now open the shoulder and then weight shift. Weight shift on the hands. Now shift your weight again. Look between the hands. Knee release. Both the toes on the wall. Knee release, knee release, knee release, knee release. Yes, look between the hands now. Look between the hands. Hold it here. Hold it here. 30 seconds. Hold it here. This is the spot, right? Archana, homework likho. You have to give me a 30-second hold before the next class. Chalo. Let's go. Radha and Subhashini. You both were doing good. Can you give me a 30-second hold in the tuck? This is called tuck handstand, Radha and Subhashini. What we are practicing is called tuck handstand. Let's see if you have a 30-second tuck handstand. Go, go, go. I'm watching, Radha. Very good. The closer you are, the better. Subhashini, this is not the closest on the wall. थोड़ा और close जाने की कोशिश करो wall के. अच्छा है राधा, होल्ड करके दिखाओ, होल्ड करके दिखाओ. हाथ से प्रेस करते रहो, हाथ से प्रेस करते रहो. कीप प्रेसिंग फ्रॉम द हेड्स. वेरी गुड. 10. जान लगाओ राधा, नीचे नहीं आना है. 9, 8, 7. Keep pushing the shoulder towards the wall. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Radha, Subhashini, very good job. Squat position, relax. Chalo, Priya, your turn. Priya, you did amazing. Himanshu, you should watch Priya. She's able to release. The weight shift is the key. When you open your shoulders all the way and able to shift the weight, it's very easy to release the leg and find your center. Let's see. The previous angle was better, Priya. You change your angle. Priya, you change your angle. The previous angle was really good. Show me from a side angle. One from the front, one from the side. Yeah, this is a good angle. Everyone, please watch this. Let's go. Yeah, go for it, go for it, go for it. Go. First, open the shoulder, all the weight on the wall, all the weight on the wall. Yes. Now look between the hands, ear touching the shoulder. Now move forward, shift the weight, shift the weight, shift the weight, knee release, one leg release, knees together, glute engage, toes together. 10, 9, and good job. You can also switch in the air. Priya, you can also switch in the air. One leg at a time. Switch in the air, which is also good. Chalo. Himanshu, your turn. हिमांशु थोड़ा डिस्टेंस और रखते हैं वॉल से द लास्ट वन से 2-3 इंच दूर रहते हैं जब आप लेग रिलीज करते हैं यू नीड अ लिटिल स्पेस टू प्ले अलोंग हाँ दैट्स अ गुड स्पॉट दैट्स अ गुड स्पॉट वेरी गुड वेरी गुड फर्स्ट ओपन शोल्डर नाउ स्टार्ट लुकिंग बिटवीन द हैंड्स shift your weight knee release beautiful one leg release press your knees into each other press your knee into each other Himanshu no gap between the knees. शिफ्ट योर वेट नीज अ लिटिल अप टुवर्ड्स द इन लाइन विद द हिप थोड़ा डीप में चला गया है हाँ डीप तक हो गया है हाँ लेट्स गो नाउ डू इट शिफ्ट योर वेट वन लेग रिलीज नी प्रेस्ड अगेंस्ट ईच अदर ट्राई शिफ्ट द वेट 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1 shift yes if you can 10 9 8 7 6 5 वेट शिफ्ट करो हाथ पे लो 3 2 and 1 come now everyone rush it out सबको टक समझ में आया everyone got the tuck now we are going to transit from the tuck to the staggered which is one of the fastest or the quickest handstand. Staggered and straddle are the two first handstand that everyone gets. The first handstand, if you ever want to have, probably it will be the staggered or the straddle. Okay. So from the tuck, you're going to open one leg over to the head. Okay. You try to create a 90-degree. It's much easier to shift the weight when you spine towards the wall. Yeah, agree. But the alignment is the key. It's easier from the other side, but it's very much aligned from this side. At your stage, Himanshu, you can do both the sides because your alignment is good on both the sides as well. But as a beginner practitioner, we need alignment more than we need the weight shift or the balance. So that's why belly towards the wall is always the better option until you get both the sides. All right, आगे बढ़े दोस्तों. Now watch me for the staggered. You go for the tuck. Then you open one leg over to the other side. Priya, we have a question. I was supposed to send you the picture. Then I forgot. And then yesterday I realized, okay, maybe I'll show you in the class only. Okay. If you want to take a picture, take the picture. Watch it. Everyone, please watch this. I will show two ways. First from the side and then from the front. Now the front one is for Priya. The side one is for all. Watch it, dosto. Again, we aim for a 1 and 2 distance. We come for the tuck, both the legs in line with the hip. Then we open one leg over to this side. When we open this leg, the pelvic should not open like this. We need to keep the pelvic posterior tight. Okay, watch it. You go up. You bring both the legs inside into the tuck. Okay. Now you open one leg here and hold it. Don't open the hip like this. Keep it squeezed here. And only the thumb on the one. Okay? Priya, watch it. The knee should not open like this. This is what I was trying to do on the one side. The knee should be on the top of the hip. It's much more visible from the front angle. Watch it. Same thing on the front angle. Everyone, please watch. Same thing on the front angle. So the knee should be here on the hip. It should not open this way. Okay? Here, one leg in, this leg, the leg should not open this way. This way. It should be on the top of the hip. And you find your balance here. Okay? Let's give it a go. Let's go, everyone. One round. Let's go together. Second round, I will come and check. वन ईच वन ऑफ यू, वन बाय वन। चलो राधा सुभाषिनी ट्राई करो। वन लेग रिलीज, ओपन टुवर्ड्स द अदर साइड। वन एल्बो डिस्टेंस, वन फुट डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो गुड। थोड़ा वॉल से दूर रहेंगे तो भी चलेगा। नॉट टू मच डिस्टेंस, नॉट टू मच। हाँ, हिप शोल्डर के ऊपर चाहिए सुभाषिनी, वन स्टेप क्लोजर। कम डाउन एंड वन स्टेप क्लोजर टू द वॉल। द हिप शुड बी ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द शोल्डर। वेरी गुड हिमांशु, हिमांशु इज गेटिंग इट। चलो प्रिया, लेट्स सी। यस राधा, अच्छा कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो। जितना आ सकता है उतना ट्राई करो और होल्ड करो इधर ही। जितना आ सकता है उतना राधा, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्लास। सुभाषिनी, द लेग ऑन द वॉल नीड्स टू बी बेंड। बेंड द लेग ऑन द वॉल एंड हिप ओवर द शोल्डर। हिप ओवर द शोल्डर नहीं है, पूरा वेट वॉल पे चला गया है। सुभाषिनी, पुश योर शोल्डर टुवर्ड्स द वॉल एंड हिप ओवर द शोल्डर। अर्चना, वेट शिफ्ट करो, वेट हाथ पे लो। यस, अच्छा है अर्चना, होल्ड करके दिखाओ 20, 30, 40 सेकेंड्स। Yes, much better, Damodar. Priya, very good. Shift the weight. Only the thumb. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly release. The slowest release possible. Yes. Slowest release possible. Very good. Very nice. Go again, try again one more. अच्छा ठीक है. चलो, let's see one by one. Let's start with Himanshu. With Himanshu, I'm going to take a picture. Shift the weight, slow and control. Shift the weight, slow and control. Lightest on the wall. ऊपर वाला लेग खुल रहा है। द नी विच इज इन द एयर, मेक श्योर इट्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द हिप। हिप के ऊपर लो इसको, हिप के ऊपर लो, ये तक हो गया। हिप के ऊपर बोल रहा हूं, टुवर्ड्स द स्काई। यस, लिटिल मोर, टो टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर। शिफ्ट योर वेट, शिफ्ट योर वेट, शिफ्ट योर वेट ऑन द हैंड्स, शिफ्ट योर वेट ऑन द हैंड्स। और वेट शिफ्ट और होगा, वेट शिफ्ट और होगा। वेट शिफ्ट इज नॉट इनफ हिमांशु, हाथ पे और वेट आने दो। चलो कोई बात नहीं। चलो प्रिया, लेट्स सी। और वन स्टेप मोर क्लोज। चलो ठीक है, वन स्टेप इनसाइड। यस, नाउ गो। Shift the weight. Very good. Bring your leg in. The leg on the wall needs to tuck in a little more. Very good. Slowest release. Slowest release. Good job. Good job. Good job. Don't worry. Hey, you got this. Himanshu, come close. Priya, Himanshu, watch it. Now tell me, Himanshu, there is a little bit of awareness which needs to come here for Himanshu. When I was saying the knee on the top of the hip, this is what I mean. Right? When you do it, you were confused at this part. You see here. And I was telling you, knee on the top of the hip, knee on the top of the hip. This knee needs to come here. Also, the knee is opening towards the door. उस तरफ ओपन होना शुरू हो रहा है. दिस शुड नॉट हैपन. सो हमको हमारे जो एडक्टर मसल्स है उनको टाइट रखना है ताकि नी ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द हिप रहे, ऐसे ना खुले. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? द नी शुड नॉट ओपन दिस वे, इट शुड ओपन एंड क्लोज दिस वे, राइट? इन दिस लाइन. But good job, Priya. Very good. I'm so happy for you. Chalo, who's going next? Next. Chalo, Archana, you go. Archana, the alignment is coming nice. What I expect from you is not the release. I want you to spend more time in the good alignment. The more you spend time in a good alignment, the more strong you start to feel. Okay, let's go. So give me a good alignment and see if you can give me a 30-second hold. Legs in, one leg release. Very good. Shift your weight on the hands. Shift your weight on the hands and hold it here. 30-second here. 5, 10, 15. बिल्कुल ठीक है अर्चना, वेट हाथ पे रखो और होल्ड करो बस. जितना कम मूव करेंगे उतना अच्छा है. 20, 25, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good job, Archana. Landing अच्छी रखो. Landing was bad. Make sure you land softly. Don't give up on the handstand. Your handstand finish when you reach the floor. It doesn't finish on the up. Sometimes what happens, we give up on the top and then we land hard on the floor and sometimes we injure ourselves. So we don't want to be there. Okay? Chalo. Subhashini and Radha. Let's go together. आ जाओ. 30 सेकेंड गुड अलाइनमेंट. स्टैगर्ड होल्ड. टक करेंगे, एक लेग ओपन करेंगे और होल्ड करेंगे. लास्ट राउंड. आ जाओ. लेट्स गो. Again, Subhashini, start going closer to the wall. Start going closer to the wall. Yes, Radha, very good. Look between the hands and hold. ना 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 ज्यादा शिफ्ट हो गया. कोई बात नहीं, फिर से ट्राई करो. डरना नहीं है, डरना नहीं है. पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द जॉब है. थोड़ा बहुत बैलेंस आना, डर लगाना, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर गिरना. यस 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 सुभाषिनी, वेरी गुड. मच बेटर. शिफ्ट द वेट ऑन द हैंड्स. शिफ्ट द वेट ऑन द हैंड्स. डोंट लुक फॉरवर्ड. स्टे देयर ओनली. यस, धीरे से राधा. बेंड करो लेग को. धीरे से बेंड करो. धीरे से बेंड करो. धीरे से बेंड करो. हाथ से ग्रिप करके रखो. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come down. All right, दोस्तों, rest it out, relax. Watch it. We need a little more practice here. Radha and Subhashini, please watch your videos. Picture. See? हाथ से और प्रेस करना है. स्पाइन सीधा है. ये लेग और ओपन होगा. अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा डर है. फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई किया है. प्रैक्टिस इट एवरी डे. इट विल गेट बेटर एंड इजी. एंड देन द हिप इज नॉट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द शोल्डर. आपको और इस पाँव को नीचे लेके हिप को और शोल्डर के ऊपर लेके आना है. और फिर ये लेग और अच्छा दिखेगा. ठीक है. चलिए, आज की क्लास के लिए इतना ही. एवरीवन, दैट्स इट. इन द क्रॉस लेग पोजीशन, लेट्स डू द प्रेयर. आ जाओ. बिगिन. Exhale, join your hands, close your eyes, repeat after me. We practice for happiness. We practice for health. We practice to make this world a better place. We practice for consciousness. We practice for creators and creations. We practice to breathe in the life within us. So your hand, create your energy between your palm, take this energy to your right. Now start your face to touch your right. Bow down to the mother, right foot, forward on the floor, come back up, open your eyes, open your palm, and sit high and keep everything. Big smile on your face. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. I will see you in the next class. I will share pictures in the group. If you have any questions, you can send me in the group only or give me a private message. Please practice throughout the week, whatever homework मैंने आपको दिया है. Or you can revisit the whole video one more time, okay? Or as many times as you want. I will share the recording of the class. Have a great day and keep practicing. Big smile, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.